no error in the code. So we then now connect our stepper motor to driver board. Connect it here. Yes, connect it here. We connect the next one here. We connect it here. So we connect our USB cable and put it here. So let's put our cable. We put our cable. We upload the code. So you can see. I will use the joystick to control it. You see. You can see. I'm using the joystick to control it. You can see. It's now going. You can see. If I want to stop it, I will use the joystick and stop it. If I want to make it fast, I will turn it to another star. You see. You can see. You can see it. You can see. You can see. Cutter.